Planning your dream trip to Japan? Amazing. But let's be real. What's the one thing you dread after a long flight? The arrival card, the hassle, the long lines. Well, what if I told you that you can skip all of that? Because Japan has a complete game changer for all travelers. Get ready to screenshot this. It's called Visit Japan Web. So paano ba gamitin itong travel hack na to? Simple lang. But first, listen up. This is a very important reminder. Website po ito. Hindi siya app na dina-download sa Play Store or App Store. Here's how you do it, step by step. Step 1. Open your phone's browser, like Chrome or Safari, and go to their official website. Ito yung link, www.dw.digital.go.jp. Step 2. Gawa kayo ng account. Madali lang, promise. Just follow the instructions and register your passport and travel details bago pa ang flight nyo. Step 3. At ito ang aking PRO tip. Para madali nyo siyang mahanap at para magmukhang app sa phone nyo na isave nyo as a shortcut sa home screen. Sa iPhone, gamit ang Safari. Itap nyo yung Share button. Tapos hanapin at iselect ang Add to Home Screen. Sa Android naman, sa Chrome, itap nyo lang yung 3 dots sa taas. Tapos piliin ang Add to Home Screen. Ayan. Para ka nang may app. After you finish registering, the website will give you your very own QR codes for immigration and for customs. At pag-land mo sa Japan, forget the long queues. You just walk up, show your phone, scan your code, and boom! You are officially in Japan. Less time in line means more time for your adventure. At hindi lang Japan ang nagle-level up. This digital revolution is sweeping across Asia. Mabilis na update lang ang mga top destination tulad ng Thailand, South Korea, at pati ang sariling atin, ang Philippines, ay on board na rin sa New Age travel na, to! Ang dali na mag-travel ngayon! So for your next trip, remember this travel hack. Go digital, travel smarter, and make every single second of your vacation count. At guys, one last very important reminder lang. Ang mga travel rules at processes, pwedeng magbago yan without notice. So for your peace of mind, laging i-check ang official Visit Japan website para sa pinaka-latest na updates bago kayo lumipad, okay? Now go book that flight. See you on the next adventure!